So in this video, we will cover technical SEO quiz. So first question is, what does SEO stand for? Search engine optimization. What is a sitemap used for? Informing search engine about a website structure. Which tag is used to inform search engine about a duplicate content? Canonical tag. True or false? Robo.txt can prevent certain pages from being indexed by search engine. It is true. What is the primary purpose of 301 redirection? To permanently redirect traffic. What HTTPS status code indicates a page not found error 404? What does mobile first index mean? Google use the mobile version of content for indexing and ranking. Which tool is commonly used to monitor crawl errors? Google Search Console. Which of these can negatively impact page load speed? Large image file. What is structured data and why is it important? Data that helps search engine understand your content better. What is a canonical URL? The preferred version of a web page. Which of the following is not a technical SEO factor? Content quality. What does a render blocking JavaScript refer to? Script that delay page rendering.